Hello, Heather. Welcome to video number 2. So find your Tadasana and then step your legs wide apart. Take your back heel up and out, your front leg all the way around. Turn your torso to me, arms out strong. Virabhadrasana II Warrior II. Bend your front knee. Press into both feet. Find your balance. And just turn your head to look along your fingertips. Take a breath here. Come back to center. Straighten your front leg. Turn your toes to the front. Anytime you want to rest, bring your hands down. Take your back heel out and back. Your front leg all the way around. Your knee is pointing over your front toes. Turn your torso back to me. Bending your front leg. Come down. Arms out strong. And balance your spine between your legs. So not tipping over like this. Straight up and down in between your feet. Balanced. Just turning your head to look along your fingertips. Virabhadrasana II Warrior II. Now press into your front inner heel to straighten your leg. Toes to the front, hands to your hips, take a rest, and we'll repeat. So lifting your heel, take it out and back, take your front leg all the way around. Torso is to me. Arms out strong, bending your front knee. You can see if you can bend a little further down, keeping yourself balanced. Keep pressing into that back foot. Press into your front inner heel. Find your balance here. Last step, turning your head to look along your fingertips. Let yourself breathe here. Full breath in, full breath out, making sure you're not holding your breath. Press into your front inner heel to straighten your leg, toes to the front. Take a little breather, lift your back heel, take it out and back, front leg all the way around, torso to me, bending your front knee. See if you can go a little bit lower. Keeping your balance, not tipping over. Just here, press into that back foot. Press into your front inner heel. Notice how that helps you find your spine. Find it nice and balanced between your legs. Arms out strong. Extend out through your fingertips. Breathe in, lift up, open your collarbones. Breathe out, turning just your head to look along your fingers. Let your breath come all the way through, making sure you don't hold your out breath. Letting it come in and out. Now press into your front inner heel to straighten your leg, toes to the front. Step back, find your mountain pose, Tadasana. See you next time.